Alright guys, I'm just gonna do a video for you guys. This video will be, should I go up Mount Washington? Because look at that drop. Video is gonna be about going down, just going down, show you guys some footage of how sketchy this road is. I would highly recommend use lowest gear, stop occasionally at cool brakes. Yeah, I was just gonna say that. I definitely recommend going down in first gear. And obviously hand on the brake and foot on the back brake. And just take your time. Ah, that is crazy. Like literally to the left here, it's just, oh my god, I can't even see it. It's just a couple thousand foot straight down. Easily a couple thousand feet just straight down. Some snow still over there. Oh, it's amazing. What a rush. Yeah, first gear and just let the engine do the work, slowing you down. You don't want to be overheating your brakes. Lowest gear possible. I'm in first now, 20 miles an hour, and just let the engine braking work. No need to even be using the brakes at this point. Let me see the temperature up here. 54, isn't that bad? Like right here, it just looks like the road is just going into the abyss. Oh my god. Crazy. Look at that switchback, holy cow. Nice and slow here. Nice and slow. Oh, the view is just absolutely insane. It's really easy to just get easily unconcentrated over here. It's really easy to lose focus here because the views are just breathtaking. It's crazy, and you really have to be focused on the road here. All the way down, first gear, nice and slow. When you lose brakes or something here, I'm jumping off the bike. Oh, it's amazing. Air is so crisp. Yeah, there's really no reason, as you guys can see, there's no reason. Just keep it in first. Let the engine do the work. No reason to even use your brakes. And you have no business being in second or third gear. Like, you know, I don't know if you guys realize, but this is a really steep descent here. Holy cow, cool. Super cool. Really steep descent. I have it in first, and working nice. And just take your time. Amazing views. All right, so now obviously you want to go even slower. You got a portion of the road, like they said, 90% is paved, 10% is not paved. You have hard packed road like this, so you're definitely going to want to be even more vigilant and careful. Hey. surprised this is not paved. So they do have food up there. You can take the train up like you guys seen in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. They have food at the top at the summit. They have a museum. Grab something to eat, some coffee, like a visitor center, I want to say. We've seen some people actually hiked up. Took them about 5-6 hours. So people do hike up the mountain. That's how narrow it is. Be really careful. I advise you guys, if you see a person like this doing 2 miles an hour, just pull over and wait until they're all the way down the damn mountain, because it's dangerous. Another thing I want to tell you guys is, on the way up and on the way down, all you smell is burnt transmission fluid and brakes. And I'm not kidding, that's all you smell. Because people, you know, either their transmissions are already on the way out or shot to begin with, and they try to make it up here and down, and they're on the brakes the whole time. That's why there's signs that say pull over, let your brakes cool down. And like that person back there doing 1 mile an hour, that's dangerous for a bike. That's way too slow with the descent. So like I said, if you guys are ever behind someone like that, you may just want to pull over and wait 15 minutes. It's really dangerous when someone's going too slow. Because in order for us to go that slow in first gear, our clutch, we have to disengage the clutch, and then you're just relying on your brakes. And in the gravel back there, you know, I don't like that. I'd rather have some engine braking working as well. Smell the fluid, smell the trannies burning, smell the brakes getting eaten up. Amazing. Like I said in the previous video, one right before this, people do come up to Mount Washington on their bikes, and they're not able to get back down because of how shaken up they are, or, you know, frightened. So they actually have to tell the conductor. Conductor brings their bike down, and they have to take the train down, believe it or not. So that's how sketchy this is in a couple areas. But as long as you're focused on the road, you'll be fine. Definitely do not start going sightseeing while you're up or down. That's a definite no-no. If anything, have a camera recording, and just look at the footage later, because you'll definitely get yourself into a heap load of trouble. Oh my God, I smell that car. Oof. Brakes getting sizzled. The rotors are probably glowing red. Alright, so we're like halfway down, 3,300 feet. Starting to get warmer. Phew, that stinks. Yeah, if you want to wipe your brakes out or your transmission on your car, just come up to Mount Washington. Oh my God. I haven't really even touched the brakes at all. First gear, I'm telling you guys, and you'll see for yourself right here, another sign, turn out ahead, stop to cool your brakes. Now people don't do it, they just keep going. That's why you smell brakes all the way up and all the way down. They're stopping, getting that sizzling smell. Oof. Oh my God, look, the brakes are smoking. Holy shit, did you see that? I hope I got that on video. Friggin' right side of the car was smoking. Like, look, literally no brake, just chilling. What other kind of pointers or tips? Definitely bring some warmer gear, because there could be literally like a 20-25 degree, possibly sometimes more, temperature difference from the bottom at base all the way to the top. I would definitely dress warm. We got lucky today. There was only, I don't know, maybe a 10 degree difference, but definitely bring some warmer gear. Blow my ears out. You really don't have to bring food or drink if you want to, because they do have food up at the top and drinks. And definitely make sure your bike is in tip-top shape. As you guys see in the previous videos, when we got to Laconia, I burnt out, blew out the clutch. There was no way I'd be able to come up here. That would be really dangerous. That would be really dangerous, and I knew that, and that's why I was kind of bummed out that I thought my trip was over, but we were able to have the clutch fixed at CSR. CSR was up here from Florida. All right, we're about 2,400 feet right now. So like I said, if you guys have any issues, brakes, clutch, don't try coming up here. Definitely do not. Make sure your bike is in tip-top shape coming, because chances are highly likely you're gonna have an issue, and it's not gonna be safe. 20 miles an hour basically all the way down in first. Do not even bother putting it into second. There's no need to go further than first, because then you're just looking for trouble. We're about 2,000 feet elevation right now. You do have cell phone service up there, just in case you guys want to know. I was able to make a phone call, and texting worked, no problem. So you do have cell phone service if you guys want to send some pictures out to family, to friends, or call a loved one. Let them know you made it up there like I did. Hopefully you guys like that info. What else could I tell you guys? Beyond, it's absolutely amazing, and you have to do it. It's about 8 miles from base all the way to the top. So I hope these tips, guys, helped you guys out, and I wanted to show you guys the entire travel, give you guys some tips and things to do, things not to do. Like I said, if you guys are really, whoever's worried about heights, you may want to rethink it. But anyway, thanks for watching again, guys. Love every single one of you guys. Thanks for subscribing and following. We'll see you guys on the next one on Cycle Fanatix. Peace out.